Hi there, and welcome to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this video we're going to continue on in our lesson on domain of a function. And we're looking at exercise number 3, where we have a relation that's a set of points. And we're going to answer a couple questions about this set of points. So it says to consider the relation m of x, where we have the points negative 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, 6, and 4, 9. Is the relation a function? So we have to go back all the way to lesson 1 now and remember what it means to be a function. And the definition of a function is where each input has exactly one output. So let's go through this set of points and let's see if this input of negative 2 only has the exact one output of 0. I don't see any other negative 2's going to anything else, so we're good with negative 2. We have to check all of our other inputs. 0 has an output of 3 here. 0 does not have any other inputs here going to other outputs, so we're good with 0. 2 has exactly one output of 6, since there are no other two inputs of 2 that lead to any other outputs. And finally, 4 has exactly one output of 9. So yes, this is a function. Since each input has exactly one output. All right. Now, what is the domain of the function? So if you watched the previous videos, you saw that the domain of a function was written as a compound inequality or in interval notation. But if we were to do that for something that looked like this, a set of points, we would be saying that it includes all of the values in between, meaning decimals and fractions and every value from negative 2 to 4, because negative 2 is your smallest x value and 4 is your largest. So we can't say it's a compound inequality. We can't list it out as negative 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 4, because that would include 0.5 and 0.6 and 0.7, 1.3, 1.38, and so on. So this is no good. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a list of all of our domain values. We use a curly bracket that looks like this to list out individual values. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to list out all of the x values. Negative 2, 0, 2, and 4. And that would be my domain. My domain would be the x values, just the x values of negative 2, 0, 2, and 4. And this actually has a fancy name. It's called a discrete domain. It's because the values in between do not exist. A discrete domain is when you list out individual points, among other definitions, versus a continuous domain when you list out an inequality that includes all of the values. It's continuous throughout the entire interval. But when we're listing out just points, it's discrete, like here. So in this exercise, we looked at a set of points, and we determined if that set of points was a function, and then we listed the domain in a new way for that function. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up below, and you are ready for exercise number 4. Thank you for watching.